Hi, I'm Jim Hotelling.
And I'm Liz Snyder, and we would like to introduce you to another season of Your Home Gardener with Hillside Garden Landscaping.
Today we want to introduce you to our staff. We're very proud of this staff, and we have together over 220 years experience here working together.
Wow, and we are so proud to have so many crew members returning season after season.
Now, to start with, Dennis and Donald, they've been with us for over 40 years each.
Wow.
And they are landscape foremen and work on a lot of the hardscape work,
Irrigation.
irrigation and plantings and drainage, and do just about everything.
Right.
Okay.
And some of our younger crew members have been with us for quite a few years as well. We've got Dominic and Parker and Brendan, who heads up our maintenance program, so they know a lot about plantings and technical work, and they do a great job.
And you know, we wouldn't be a team without having Gwen and Mary backing us up and supporting us. Gwen is the office manager, and Mary is our landscape coordinator, who will do all of our buying and a lot of the customer service work.
And so they may be in contact with many of our customers throughout the whole season, and we're just so glad to have such a wonderful landscaping team.
So we look forward to working with you on a new landscape project. This is Jim Hotelling,
And Liz Snyder.
the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.